Welcome everyone. So today we are going to find out, or rather we are going to solve this word problem. The question is the mean of 5 consecutive integers is 15 and we need to find what are these numbers. So for those of you who think that the answer or who have figured out the answer is 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, then you are absolutely right. You can literally skip this video because you know how to do this. Okay, but here this is actually for people who are not able to understand how to solve these kind of questions, first thing. And next, I'm also going to show you how to literally do this orally in your mind. Okay, so now first let's begin and understand what is consecutive integers. Okay, so let's look at a number line. Here you have a 0, then you have 1, 2, 3, and then which goes up to positive infinity. Then here you have -1, -2, -3, which again goes out to negative infinity. Okay, so basically we are talking about what? We are talking about positive as well as negative numbers. Okay, so integers are actually subset of rational numbers. Now, for those of you who still are getting confused, what is rational, what is irrational, what is real, and all of that, I've made a separate video on that. Please go ahead and check it out. The link of will be somewhere on the top or at the end of this video. Okay. So now again, let's come back to the next point of this question is what mean. What do you mean by mean? Mean is nothing but what? Average. Okay. So if I had said that mean of A and B is 4. So here you would say A plus B. What is average? Average is nothing but what? Sum of all the elements divide by total number of elements. So here how many number of elements are there? 1 and 2. So we'll divide it by 2 and this is still equal to what? 4. This is how, what do you mean by the basic understanding of mean? Okay. So now coming back. Here we can say that the mean of what? 5 consecutive integers will be 50. Again, integers we understood. So what is consecutive means? One after the other. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, all of these are consecutive integers. But 2, 5, 8, 10, no, they are not consecutive integers. Okay. Why? Because this is the number which is coming after 2, which is 3, is not mentioned in this particular series. Okay, so this is very, very important to always remember. Now they are saying that the consecutive, so mean of how much? 5 consecutive integers is equal to 15. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take help of algebra. Let the first number be x. Okay, so obviously the second number will be what? X plus 1. Third number will be what? X plus 2, right? Means, see, if it was first 1, if the series is 1, then the next series is 2, then the next series is 3. So obviously if you want to find the third digit, you have to add how much to 1? We are adding 2 to 1. So that's why I'm adding 2 over here. So similarly, fourth digit will be what? X plus 3, and fifth digit will be x plus 4. Now in order to find the mean, what we'll do is we'll add all of them. So we'll do x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4. Okay, we are adding all of them and we are dividing it by what? We'll divide it by total number of elements. How many elements are there? There are 5 elements. So we will divide by 5. And this is equal to what? 15. Okay. So now let's see how many x's are there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I can say 5x plus how many digits are there? 1 plus 2, that gets you 3. 3 plus 3 gets you 6. 6 plus 4 gets you 10. So we'll do 10. And this 5 will get multiplied to 15 on this side. So it will become equal to 75. Okay. So now in order to find the value of x, we'll shift the numbers on this side. So here we'll do minus 10, here also we'll do minus 10. So this will now become equal to what? 5x equals to 75 minus 10 gets you 65. Okay. So now this is like basically coming out to 5x equals to 65. In order to find the value of x, we will divide both sides by what? 5. I hope this is very, very clear to everyone. Therefore, I can say this is cancelling. X value will be nothing but what? 1, 3. Now remember, what was your first digit? First digit was x. Okay. So here I can say that my um, next series will start from what? 13. Now they are what? Consecutive numbers. So what will be the next number, which is 14, 15, 16 and 17. There were only 5 numbers needed. Okay. So this is how you could figure out how to do this in the proper working format. Okay. But if this was like an entrance exam, then I'm sure you all must be wondering, if I had to do this for an entrance, I literally don't have time for, do all the workings and everything. Then in that case, what you should be doing is, you always remember that there are what, how many digits? 5 digits. So there are how many? 5 blanks. Okay. And 15 is the mean. So 15 number will be your center digit. So then what you will do is 16 and 17 will be following 15, and 14 will come before 15, and 13 will come before 14. So this is how you can actually do this orally. Okay. But if it is something which you want to literally practice, or you are like a student who needs to write proper answers, then that kind of working, the one which I showed you, that these kind of workings are going to be like super important for you all to follow. Okay. So now let's understand. I had told you that you can also take negative numbers, right? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So here also you could do what? X, then what? X minus 1, then x minus 2, then x minus 3, then x minus 4. Then divide by 5, make it equal to 15. That is also absolutely okay. Okay, it's absolutely fine. Okay, because from here also you will get your answers. Okay, so but here what will happen is, you will get the last digit. You will get x as what? 17 in this case. Okay. So then in order to find the rest of the digits, you will go backwards instead of going in front, which we did in the previous case. Here you will go backwards. So I hope this is very, very clear to all of you all. You can do either or, whatever works for you. Okay. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.